A trip to this library in Taunton could be very good for your health. This machine is newly installed and it can check your pulse and blood pressure and measure your height and weight, all potential risk factors to good health. You know, about 1 in 10 adults in Somerset don't even know they have high blood pressure, and another 1 in 10 have poorly controlled high blood pressure.
Yeah, that was really simple, yeah, really good, and if it's accurate then that's great.
It is absolutely important to know your blood pressure because you can walk around without knowing that you have high blood pressure, because many people do have high blood pressure and don't display any symptoms. So by knowing your numbers, you can take the appropriate action.
Can I ask what it is that's brought you to see me today?
And if you're concerned about any of your readings, there is plenty of help on hand. There are health coaches based in Taunton Library, and you can speak to them if you're registered with a GP either in Taunton or Wellington.
Neighbourhood health coaching team.
And if you're registered elsewhere or you prefer other support, there are leaflets, recommended apps and links to community support on a range of health issues. Now, we know that during the COVID pandemic, a lot of people have missed their routine health checks, perhaps because they've found it difficult to see their GP. And it's estimated that the number of high-risk people who've had their blood pressure recorded in the past year has dropped by 1/3.
We're trying to make it as easy as possible for people to do these basic checks, so you can nip into the library whenever it's convenient, and you can also try one of your local pharmacies.
Of course, improving your general health can reduce the chances of becoming seriously affected by COVID. A study commissioned by Public Health England found that factors associated with a worse outcome when it came to COVID included high blood pressure, diabetes, being overweight and smoking, among other things. So the bottom line is, don't let COVID become an excuse for neglecting your general health. And that's a message that's particularly apt during Heart Health Month. You know, when we get older, it's very important we look after our health and have regular health checks. They're quick, and now they're as easy as picking up a book. I'll see you next week.